hello for Tuesday, April 14th. One of the most important things you're going to need to do is sign up for an individual conference time. So tomorrow, instead of having, on the 15th that is, instead of having a video lesson, I'm going to offer times that are individual for individual conferences. So there are two links here. This one will take you to a Google file that will show the conferences that I've already scheduled. So check that first before you follow this link, which will take you to a Google form where you will establish your preferences. I'll try to keep the Google form updated with available times, but I can't promise, so definitely do this first. Now this conference is optional, but I'm going to highly recommend it just so we have some time to sit down and look at what you've already turned in, and you can ask questions, so going forward you're doing well. Okay, so this is going to be going on all Wednesday. You don't have to schedule your meeting during your time, okay, but I'm probably not going to schedule very many on the fly on Wednesday, just because I'm planning around the schedule that we're making on Tuesday. Okay, so that's first. And then also we have the beginning of chapter 7. Chapter 7 is very long, so there's a point where you're going to stop listening for the day, and then there's a quick quiz covering that. And then we have the reading guide for this week. There are two instructional videos. They're both about 5 minutes long. This first one is to just go over the parts of the reading guide for the week. And then the second one is more specifically some instructions on inferences and adverbs of probability that you're going to need to understand to do well on the reading journal, and also the end of week reflection. Okay. Then just remember, overall from the week, I have in a couple places now this schedule for the week. Okay, so this is what you're going to do every day. I've tried to add some timing for you to help figure out how long it's going to take. If the timing is like way off what I think it's going to be, you should definitely let me know. I mean, some people are a little shorter, some people are a little longer, but when I am making my plans for you, this is my plan. So it's good if you let me know if that is incorrect. Okay, well, good luck today, and let me know what time you're coming to a conference tomorrow.